Hello audience, this is Ps4 with more Ps4 Force, which always has been playing that. And you saw my last video, didn't you? I know 13 people watched it.
And he just got new Skylanders Force.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Brace for impact.
Okay.
And press, good. And he will be playing as Spy Rhymes.
He said it.
It's classified.
Is he, no, he's not a sting.
Oh.
Sorry, you like.
I'm gonna race you here. Mine. Open it, it's yours. Okay, now we have to go on the mission.
Okay. Oh, this is cool.
I know.
I can like traffic rules.
Wait. Don't talk to him.
I've never heard him say anything.
Aw, that makes it longer. Come on, don't touch anything.
Okay, Mom.
Just walk.
Actually, I'm not gonna walk. I'm too darn lazy. Oh, they.
Dude, don't press it.
I'm trying to fly.
Okay, don't do anything. Just walk until you get past him.
Okay. Okay.
Don't talk to anyone. Sorry, there's no one else here, just me. Ah, you're here.
There's no time to waste, Skylander.
Is there a remote over here? Kind of loud.
Chaos's forces were seen
Come on, you want me to
towards the
have loud?
Baron's desert. This means he must be going after the ancient Terra Squid. You should go to Jaw Gulch at once. The marshal there might know where the Terra Squid can be found.
Found it.
Oh, I always get lost out there. It's a good thing I have the best pilot in all of Skylanders going with me.
When is he coming?
I know, right?
I don't
see no other captain here.
I'm on level 6.
Okay, just let me know when you're ready.
Wait. Let me go to collection. No, it's level select. Oh yeah, Jaw Gulch. I thought it was level 7.
You ready to head to Jaw Gulch, Skylander?
Remember when we played a roundabout and he wanted to level up, remember?
Oh yeah.
And we went on the level and I was killing a lot of guys and he was leveling up, remember?
Of course it'll be fine. Embrace the adventure, Flynn. Hey, you know what your problem is? You were like
You're not the best pilot.
maps and machines to find your way.
You're a horrible pilot.
Instincts.
I happen to like machines. And ignoring my instincts is the only reason I'm even getting on this bird.
All I'm saying is, if where you are is the place you're supposed to be, then you're never really lost.
I don't even know what
I
you
barely noticed that there's a chest right there.
It's only because you're squawking feather matches here.
Why doesn't he give it to us?
You heard me.
Don't skip it.
I don't want to.
Yeah, I like this video.
Oh, do you remember?
Remember, this was the first video.
Yeah.
Oh no, those airship pirates are attacking the city.
That's not the only thing. Look out!
Pirates. It's hard. Oh.
Yeah, when this game was about to first come out, well, I saw this trailer like in what was like a 22-minute gameplay of this level. I thought it was level 1. You just ruined my life.
Flynn, that was amazing. How did you do that?
Well, it's easy. You just take 1 part cracker jack tiny and add 17 parts pure liquid awesome, and boom. I call them Flint sticks.
You're looking at me weird.
I think after this, we need to have a talk about your catchphrase. But first, we've got to help the Skylanders.
Money.
Okay, I get one, and you get one, right?
Fine. Hey, wait. Get over here! No, I'm kidding.
You want the last one, right?
Yeah.
cool.
I know. Ow.
Huh?
Well, hell, you're a cyber Skylander. Skylander.
Reward? How much? $1. No, 5 cents.
I don't want it. But in their one, that's a lot of money.
But if we can get up top and turn our cannons on them, it'll be a real turkey shoot.
That's weird how like $100 is so cheap.
Skylander, those airships ain't stopping themselves.
Dude, we have the same amount of money.
Iron powder keg.
Hey, he's up in chat. Oh yeah, we do, huh?
Oh, get the soul gem, okay?
Where's that?
Look, you see that right there?
Oh yeah, okay. Can I get some money too?
Stronger in this up.
Some money, right?
I need life. Okay.
Okay.
Someone took a punch from me.
How do we
I
go?
think it's this way.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, he pushed me. Keeps on hitting me.
Better? We still have the same amount of money.
Well, we don't have the same amount of health.
Oh, what's his name again?
Wind up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's already out. He's on the adventure pack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start buying the 2 adventure packs. Like once I'm done with the game, then I'm gonna play the clock town tire, and then I'll play the level that he's on. And then I'm just gonna start doing like the extra stuff, like the what's it called,
Like the levels and stuff.
yeah, the extra level. I'm not good today. Like, please just let me up finally. Oh, I need it. No, dude, I need it.
Okay. Get it?
If I didn't, I'll be like, why? I'm like, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, my sheep! Why did I name to the sheep? Because that's what the sheep do.
I know, they're like. No!
Attack them now.
Yes!
At the same time.
I know, it's like we're brothers or something.
Oh!
What? How do we keep on doing this?
I know.
This is crazy! Oh yeah, dude, the guys are right there whenever you want, okay?
Okay. Yeah,
I need it, so.
Okay, change me out and turn into a giant.
Okay.
But don't, this keeps like.
Okay, you want to be him? Come. Don't put him on yet. I'm gonna pick someone. Where's my calling that? I want to do that swap zone. Oh, there we go. There you go. I'm gonna try this combo.
Oh, cool.
Hand me your guy.
Oh, huh.
Brace for impact.
Okay, that actually looks like the exact same body except like all the flying parts. Okay. Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on, not yet. Okay. What? Not yet.
Oh, we'll come back for it?
Yeah, for the guys who need the money.
Ooh, Taco Tuesday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's just Tuesday. Then I'll be like, taco. I'm gonna eat those Taco Tuesday. Tacos. I can make it. Oh, come on, I can make it. There you go. Oh. I hit the big one. trapped there.
Oh, come on!
I know. How much time do I have left? Okay, let's see. Ah, look at that smile on his face. What a stud. What's up, man?
So,
I wanted a hat for him. I would kill for a hat. I would kill anyone. I'm not saying any water. Just saying I would kill anyone.
Dude.
Yeah. Come on, dude. We only have like 4 more minutes of gameplay.
It's classified.
Okay, come on. Oh, what can we? Oh, no. I bet anyone.
I didn't get any money, I swear. None of us need it. I'll take it. It's okay, you get it too, you know. Remember? I think it's pretty cool that we get that.
Yeah.
Kind of like when we get money, that we get, like, we both get the same amount.
Kangaroos love dancing. I reckon if you can get a good rhythm going on them hoedown squares, it'll turn the beat around.
Let's do this. Boom. Boom. I'll race you.
Ah, big. Where am I?
I like that music.
You see my eyes?
I know, they're like, oh. How do you use that? You little squirrel, you're so gay. That's true.
I thought squirrels were supposed to be little. Oh.
I'm getting dizzy. Yeah, I'm dizzy.
I'm drunk.
What?
What?
Hey, you know I like you. You know you want it. You know you want it because you're
Ow, something good. Ow.
Ow.
Die. I don't like that.
Wait, do we short ourselves or do we have to shoot the?
No, we gotta kill everybody.
No, I'm like on that thing that
Yeah, we're gonna shoot that thing down.
we're gonna have to shoot that down.
Yeah.
I thought we were gonna go onto it.
Oh, oh. Water now.
Killed my guy.
It wasn't me. It was Frank Stein.
Come on, hurry. We only have like a minute. Or no, 2 minutes. Just get anybody.
Yeah.
Who cares?
That was
Oh, trust you. No, I'm kidding. He just.
my face.
One airship down, but we can't stop now. Keep going.
You know, it's just the money. Don't go anywhere, just stay here. I'm gonna have to end the video here.
From the air and tech elements can unlock this gate.
So just please subscribe.
Oh, so close. I can't believe. Oh, there.
Please subscribe, hit the like button, and please give me more than 10 subscribers.
I could buy you. Oh, man.
And also watch my other channels. Powdery Corpse and Charlie Toyota.